Hello everyone. This series is all about Junior Network Administrator interview questions. We will now tell you how to crack the job interview when you are appearing for the post of Junior Network Administrator. You will see the common questions asked in the interview, and we will tell you the answers and the precise answers that could land you a good job. So, a very common basic question that an interviewer can ask you is, what is the difference between a router and a switch? So, as a network administrator, you know there are some common devices in your network. First of all, it is a switch. Switch is a local area network device, and all the devices, all the endpoints in your network are connected to a switch. You can see over here we have a switch 2960 Cisco series switch. 2960 is a model 24 port Cisco switch which is connected to another switch, and all the endpoint devices like Cisco IP phone 7962 is connected to a switch. Your servers are connected to a switch. Your Cisco 2500 series wireless controller is connected to a switch. Your access point in your network are connected to a switch. All the devices are connected to a switch in your local area network. So it means that this segment, all the devices are connected to a switch in the local area network. Talking about the router, we have a router over here, and the model of the router is shown over here is 2911 is the router model, and you can see over here its one interface is connected to a switch, but the other interface or the WAN interface is connected to the other network, which is connecting to the internet service provider. So this is taking the traffic from one network to the other network. So it means that this is used for wide area network connectivity. So routers are used for wide area network connectivity. Switches are used for local area network connectivity. So you can see a topology, small topology over here. We have a host or PC connected to the switch in the network, and the switch ports are connected to the router. You can see over here all the ports are connected to the router. It means that we have three routers and they are denoting different networks. So this router would be denoting a different network, this router would be denoting a different network, and this router would be denoting a different network. So router A, router B, all the routers are denoting different networks. So routers are used for connecting different networks, while switch is used for connecting the PCs or endpoints on the local area network in your organization. So we will discuss in detail what is the difference between a router and a switch. So router connects various networks, while switch connects various devices in the network. Second point, router works on network layer of OSI model, while switch works on a data link layer of the OSI model. Router is used in local area network and metropolitan area network and wide area network connectivity, while switch is only used for local area network connectivity. Last but not the least, router sends data in the form of packets, while switch sends packets in the form of frames. So let's see a topology over here on the Cisco Packet Tracer. We have two routers. This circle denotes a different network having a different IP address pool, while this other router is having a different network connected to it. We have a switch on the network, we have a PC connected to the switch for both the networks. So for this PC0, the default gateway is 192.168.10.1. The IP address of the router interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. This interface of router is the default gateway interface. Same goes for this topology on the right side as well. Now these routers are connecting themselves to a different network in the wide area network connectivity. It means if PC0 wants to ping PC1, it can easily ping that in the network. We can show you over here PC0 trying to ping the PC1, and the IP address of PC1 is 192.168.10.3. Ping is successful because they are connected to a single switch in the local area network. They don't need any router to get connected to each another. But if the PC0 wants to connect to PC2 on this network having default gateway 192.168.20.1, we need a router. We need a WAN connectivity between the routers. So if we ping the PC2 of the other network, you can see over here, so PC2 of other network is 192.168.10.2, the ping is again successful because you can see over here again ping is successful because we are running a static routing protocol to connect different networks. So for that we need a router in the wide area network or metropolitan area network connectivities. So we have discussed all the details, but on the interview you need to answer briefly. So your reply would be, router works on layer 3 of OSI model used for WAN connectivity, while switch is a layer 2 device used for local area network connectivity. This would be the simple answer. So to learn about networking with real hands-on, join jobskillshare.org. Thank you for today.